Namaskar, it's a beautiful day to be alive. A few weeks back, I made my Amazon pantry haul where I showed you all of the things which I had bought through Amazon pantry, and I also mentioned about ordering some other things which were from the non-pantry section for the items which were not available in the pantry. And now that I have received all of the other items, I have this haul for you all. So all of these things came on different dates, and it's taking much longer than it usually did after this lockdown situation. So if you need something urgent, I won't recommend you opting for this service. It's better to go for the pantry option if you find your items available, because it delivers within 2 days. Now without any further ado, let's start with the haul. I have only one cosmetics product, which is the Savni nail glue. I like doing my nail extensions at home, and I haven't got any since a long time now, since the corona situation happened, because all of my nail glue had dried up and I was not able to get my hands on a new one, and I was not able to do my nail extensions. And when I placed my order, I bought the set of 3 so that it lasts even longer. And then I bought a lot of things which I'm going to use for baking. Let's start with the tools. So there are 3 sets here, and each set has an oil brush and also a spatula. So this is how the spatula looks like, and here's the oil brush. If I'm not wrong, I think it mentioned it has set of 2, and I thought it means 1 spatula and 1 of these oil brush, but I got 3 of these sets. I think I'm going to give 1 of these sets to my mom and the other to my aunt. Now these were really affordable, but I don't know how the quality is going to be. It looks like it's of silicone, but it doesn't look very strong to me. I don't think you can cook using this. I anyway bought this to mix in my cookie dough or my cake batter, so I guess it's going to be okay for me. Then I bought this vanilla essence from Osoro. Now this is a little more expensive compared to most of the other vanilla essence which you find, but it smells really good. It has a very natural, delicious sort of smell. There's a very faint chemical sort of smell when it comes to the local vanilla essence, and it has a synthetic sort of fragrance, but this one is very strong and it also smells really good. I'm super excited to use it in my cookies and cakes. The next thing which I got is this huge packet of cocoa powder. I also love adding cocoa powder to my coffee, and this is going to last so long. Next I have this huge packet of oregano. Even this one also smells quite strong. When I opened the outer packaging, I could guess there was oregano there. The last kitchen item which I bought is this corn flour, and I'm really excited to use all of these things in my cooking. I'm going to make pizza for dinner today, and I'm going to use this oregano for that. The last thing which I bought is the set of 2 Cipla Mama Expert Intimate Wash. So those were all of the things which I bought. I tried to buy most of the things through Amazon Pantry because I really like the service. This one was for only those items which were not available over there. I hope you enjoyed my haul, and if you want to see recipes where I use all of these things, then do click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also share this video with your friends, because it is going to help me grow and also motivate me to make more videos and share my recipes with you. And my room totally smells of vanilla, chocolate and oregano. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.